of x is equal to, then coefficients A to B. First question, f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Then here itself 1, negative 2, negative 9, 18. Then x minus 2 is a factor. So x minus 2 is a factor means we can write f of 2. So we can write here 2. Then what will be?
1,
then 2, 1s are 2. Add. So right here add, that is better. Otherwise you will get confusion. Add. In 1 or 2 questions you write add. Negative 2,
0.
0 into 2 is 0.
Or negative 9.
Then here negative 9. Negative 9 into 2 is negative
80.
So it will be, that is x minus 2 is a factor. So we got the remainder as, that is, this is known as the remainder. Remainder we got it as 0. So that means x minus 2 is a factor. The next step, what we want to write? 1, 0, negative 9 can be written as what? X square, 1x square. Then plus or minus 0 anyway. Plus 0x. Then minus 9. Which is equal to what? Simply we can write this as x square. Instead of 0x, no need to write anything. Minus 9. That is x square minus 9. That is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. In the form of a square minus b square identity, which is equal to a plus b into what? A minus b. So this can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 3. So 2 factors we got. Then already is there in the question x minus 2. Therefore, what we can conclude? X cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to, first from the question itself you write x minus 2. Then the other 2 x plus 3 into x minus 3. So that is the final answer. This way you want to do all the questions. X plus 5 is a factor of 2x cube plus 5x square minus 28 minus 15. So coefficients you write first. 2, 5, negative 28, negative 15 given x plus 5 is a factor. So we can write minus 5. So first step, what do you want to do? Tell me. We can do it together. Minus 5. Anyone? Can do it together. No, no problem.
2 at the time.
Okay. 2 down. Then
2 into negative 5 is equal to negative 10. Negative 5 then
here 5. We want to add. So 5, you don't know, please listen. 5 add, no, 5 plus negative 10. That means 5 minus 10, which is negative 5. Negative 5. So adding only.
Negative 5 into negative 5, positive 25. Positive 25.
Into negative 5 is positive 25. That positive 25 we want to write here. Positive 25.
Negative 3.
Negative 28 plus 25. Adding only, no. So negative
3.
Negative 3. So negative 3.
Negative 3 into negative 5, 15. Positive 15.
Negative 5 into negative 3 is equal to positive 15. That 15 we want to write here. Then 0. That means this is the remainder. Given what? X plus 5 is a factor. So we got the remainder as 0. So we can, they already said what? X plus 5 is a factor. The next 2, negative 5, negative 3, we can write it as
2x square minus 5x minus
2x square minus 5x minus
3.
This can be written as x square minus 5x minus 3. So how can we write? X square, which one? Which one? Here, which one? 5. This one. 2. This step. This step again want to do. Last or this one? I will do one second. That is it. Tell me. This is our question. X plus 5 is a factor. So 2 down. Then negative 5 into 2 is what? Negative into positive is negative. So 5 into 2 is 10. Negative 10. Understood, Basil? Negative 10. Clear, Basil? Then adding negative 5. Then negative 5 into negative 5 is positive 25. Again adding, it will be negative 3. Negative into negative positive, it is positive 15. So write the polynomial x square minus 5x minus 3. So splitting the middle term is not easy, you know, same as the like the first question. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, current boy. Okay, current boy. Okay. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So how can we do this? Splitting the middle term. Same as what x square minus 9 we can do directly. X square minus 9 means this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this won't be possible. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is not possible. So what we want to do? Splitting the middle term means dash into dash is equal to dash into dash is equal to think of 2, not 3. 2 into 3. That is here coefficient of x square is 2. So take it as what?
Negative 10 25.
2 into same way you want to do 2 into 3. Suppose if it is 3 here means you want to write what? 3 into negative 3. So here now 2. 2 coefficient of x square into this coefficient that negative 3 constant term. So negative 3 into 2 is what? Negative 6. Then dash it plus adding or subtracting. Adding or subtracting, we want to get it as negative 5. So which are the two numbers?
Negative 2.
Negative 3, negative. If you wrote negative 3, already we wrote negative 2. What you told is negative 5. It's not possible. Then you told what? Negative 3 plus 2. Then is it negative 5?
Ma'am, 6 and 1.
6 and negative.
Okay. So this is not
Negative 6 and
this won't
1.
be possible. 6 and 1. So 6 and 1. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Then 6 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So is it possible? Negative 6.
Negative 6 into 1.
Negative. Is it negative 6 into 1? Is it possible? Negative 6 into 1. Correct.
Yes, ma'am. Negative 6 into 1 only.
Negative 5. That is 6. Negative 6 into 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1 is equal to negative 5. Bigger number. One sign is positive and other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So, so this won't be.
3 minus.
Tell me.
Why negative 3 minus 2 is not possible?
Why negative 3 is, tell me, negative 3, so 3 and 2. We want to get the answer as negative 6 and negative 5. So, tell me, negative 3 into 2 is what? Negative 6. That one okay. Then what about negative 5? Is it possible? Negative 3. Simply 2 means what? Positive 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 5. Allah. Is this correct?
Ma'am, just
we
can either subtract or
we want to write the same number.
Okay, ma'am. Then negative 3 minus plus 2 we can write no.
Minus, okay, minus plus 2. Then next step it will be what?
Negative 5.
Negative 3 minus 2 is equal to negative 5. What is our aim? Our aim is not to find what? Negative 5. This should be same. Negative 3. Two values should be same. This one is correct.
Negative 5 only we want to find it.
Okay. So it should satisfy this also, no? Negative 3, negative 3. Okay. Then what about here, Alna? Thus you wrote it as for finding negative 6, you wrote it as positive 2. For finding negative 5, you wrote it as negative 2. Is it possible?
No.
Ma'am, I'm negative 2. I'm just simply writing 2.
Negative 3 and simply writing. Okay, positive 2.
Negative 3
Plus 2.
Negative 3 minus 2 I'm writing.
Plus 2 means
what
what will
will
be the
happen?
answer? What will be the answer? It will be negative 1. Negative 3 plus 2 will be negative 1, not negative 5. It won't be possible. Can we splitting the middle term? This won't be possible. So negative 6 and 1 only possible. So 2x square as 2x square itself. Then negative 5x we can write it as negative 6x plus simply 1x means x. Okay. Then minus 3 as minus 3. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3 we wrote like this way. Take common. Which one we can take common? 2x.
2x.
Okay, 2x. Then remaining x.
X minus 3.
X minus 3. Then next what I told? The
Yes,
same
madam. Same.
x minus 3 we should write here. X minus 3. Then what we want to write here? In between.
Plus 1. Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Then only it will be plus 1 into x plus x, then plus into minus 3, which is equal to, in this x minus 3 is common. So x minus 3 into what? Remaining 2x
2x plus 1.
plus 1. So for this we got 2 quadratic equations, 2 factors. Our question is what? Therefore, what we want to find? 2x cube minus, sorry, plus 5x square minus 28x minus 15 is equal to, okay, we write
5.
x plus 5. First one, x plus 5 into x minus 3 into what? 2x plus 1. Check that x back answer. 2x plus 1.
2x plus 1.
Okay, check that x back answer.
Correct only.
Third question. F of x is what? 3x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 2. 3x plus 2 is a factor. 3x plus 2 is a factor means we can write what? 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, how can we write? 3x is equal to negative 2. So, x is equal to negative 2 by 3. Is a fraction. So, how can we write? How can we do this? First, we can write a 3, 2, negative 3, negative 2. So, how can we do this? Negative 2 by 3 we can write here.
By 3. 3 at the time.
Negative 2 by 3. X is equal. Okay, 3 down. Then
3 into negative 2 by 3. 3 and 3 and
negative 2 by 3. So 3
3 and 3 cancel.
cancel. We will get as
Negative 2.
negative 2.
0. Adding
0.
0.
Then 0
About
into
about
negative
0.
2 by 3 is 0.
Is 0.
Then here negative
Negative 3.
negative
3 into negative 2 by 3.
3 into negative 2 by 3.
2 by 3 and 3 and cancel.
Negative 2.
Negative. Is it negative 2?
Positive 2.
Positive 2.
Positive 2.
Positive 2. Adding we got it as 0.
0.
That means this is remainder now. Remainder. That means 3x plus 2 is a factor. We got 0. So next step what we want to write? This one.
3x
Square. 3x square.
3x square
3x square
plus 0x minus 3.
minus 3. So this can be rearranged as 3x square
3x square minus
3. So which one common?
Minus
3 common.
3 common.
is common.
X square minus 1.
X square minus 1.
Minus 1.
X square minus 1 is what? 3 into a square minus b square form. A plus B into A minus
B.
A plus B into A minus B. So how can we write this?
അല്ല മാം അതെങ്ങനെ വന്നു?
A plus B into A minus B.
അതെങ്ങനെ വന്നു?
Guys, അതിനെയാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്. Think of next one tomorrow.